about you, but I am looking forward to the ladies' retreat on May 13th and 14th, sponsored by Haven of Hope, featuring Reverend Dr. Ginger Asel and Reverend Debbie Moylan. My name is Kathy Miller, and many of you know me from previous retreats, but those of you that don't know me, I'll tell you a little about myself. I'm a retired school teacher. I am on the board of directors of Haven of Hope, serving as the treasurer, and I am most of all a beloved child of God. At the May 13th, 14th Ladies Retreat, I will be presenting one of the 3 offered workshops. It is entitled God in the Clouds. In this workshop, we will begin by searching scripture that tells us how God is in the clouds. We will then walk through some guided meditation and imagery to see how clouds have been an important part of our journey in life. We will then use a variety of art supplies to create a cloud formation. Finally, we will share our creations with each other, telling how clouds have been important to us in life. I look forward to seeing many of you at the retreat. And until then, please keep looking up at the clouds and feeling the presence of the Lord. Have a great and blessed day.